Are you trying to say happy birthday to Daddy, Williston? Will, can you show us how you roll over? Jack, we're trying to videotape. Hey, don't step on your brother, please. Jack. Now, can you say happy birthday to Daddy? You gonna give him a kiss? Mwah. Good boy.
Guys.
Can you give him a kiss? Give Daddy a kiss.
Ma.
Good boy.
Ma.
Oh, you're such a sweet boy.